everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing some classroom decor for dolls. Now this was part of a collab, so I would love it if you would go check out the other people who participated, and their channels will be linked below. So for this classroom decor, most of it was made out of recycled materials, so it was a lot of fun to make and it was very cheap. So if you guys want a tutorial on any of it, let me know in the comments down below and I would love to do so. So the classroom will eventually have more items in it. I just ran really short on time, so this is what I've came up with so far, and I actually really like it. I'm in love with the chalkboard. It came out so adorable. But anyways, guys, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you very soon.
Okay, class, what is 1 plus 1?
Me. I know.
Okay, Maddie, go ahead and answer it since you're so excited to answer it. Come on, it's right here. Do you know the answer?
It's, I don't remember.